Hello, good morning. I'm making this video to show that my car seat belt in perfect condition. These are working. Okay, so this is the front seat. I can show you the seat belt. So this is the seat belt. Okay, so this coming here and this is here. Look, this is okay, 100% okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the back seat now to show you that also working. Okay. Stay with me. Okay, this is one side, so this one seat belt. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, this is also working. Okay, 100% working. So I'm going to the other side of the car. Okay, so this is the other seat belt. Okay, other side. Okay, there is a. Okay, okay. Okay, look, this is also working, so there is no issue. Okay, and this is the middle one. You can see the middle seat belt. Okay, this is also working. So one working 100%, two working 100%, three working 100%, and the front one I showed you already. I can show you again. That's working 100%. Okay, safe and secure. Thank you.